again. So guys, in this video we will see Valorant, how to fix Valorant your account does not meet to the following requirement. So guys, you just follow this video to fix this issue. First is verify your Riot account details, age and the region. For this, open your browser and navigate to the accounts.riotgames.com, where you log in with your Riot games and the credentials. Then go to the Riot ID or the personal information section. Then confirm your date of birth is correct and indicate you are of age. Then check your linked region and ensure it matches your current location. Then check your LinkedIn region and ensure it matches your current location. Then save and changes and restart the Valorant client. Check for system and parental restriction. So guys, for this, open your Windows setting by pressing Windows plus I. Then navigate to the account, then navigate to the account, then family and other users. Check for any active family setting or the restriction on your user accounts. If active, adjust your temporary, disable these settings. Review any third-party parental control software installed. Temporarily disable such software and attempt to launch the Valorant. Reinstall Riot Vanguard. A corrupted or misbehaving anti-cheat system can often prevent Valorant from launching. So you press Window plus R, type plus APPVIZOPL and press enter. Then find Riot Vanguard in the list. Then right click it and select the uninstall. Confirm the uninstall process. Then restart your computer immediately after the Vanguard is uninstalled. Then launch your Valorant. The client will automatically prompt to reinstall it. Okay, then allow Vanguard to reinstall and restart your PC if prompted. Okay, then guys, update your graphic drivers and windows. For this, open your device manager, then expand your display adapter, right click your graphic card and select the option of update. Alternatively, you visit the GPU manufacturer website for the latest driver. Open the Windows settings, then navigate to the window update and click and check for the update and install any pending system updates. Then restart your PC after all the updates are installed. Then run Valorant as the administrator and check the compatibility. Insufficient permission or compatibility issues can block the game from launching correctly. Then navigate to your Valorant installation folder, then go into the live folder, click valorant.exe and select the properties. Then go to the option of compatibility tab, check run this program as the administrator and apply the setting and click OK. Then repeat this step for the Riot client service.exe, then try to launching your Valorant again. So these are the things that you can try to fix this issue. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.